So when hubby sent me this story yesterday, I was like, too much is going on in Westmoreland. Way too much. If you guys don't know anything, know that I come from Westmoreland. I am a West girl and I love my parish, but too much is going on. And I feel like Westmoreland need to go back into zones of special operations because the violence and crime is getting out of hand. Westmoreland, Jamaica. The mother of the siblings who are seen in a viral video on social media being buried in a shallow grave have confirmed that they are her children. According to the police, 20-year-old Kerrick Moodie and 22-year-old Keneisha Moodie, a brother and sister of Grangeville District, Westmoreland, had been missing since Friday, December 8th. Their mother, Stephanie, said in an interview on Sunday afternoon after she saw the viral video have used physical markings, she can confirm that those are her children. Yesterday in the after 2 p.m., somebody sent me a picture, so them see it on social media where them a bury them. Missy say a them, the distraught mother told Observer Online. The mother said her children called her on Friday telling her to pick up $10,000 at a cook shop that they were going to pick up a package. She's pleading with the public to assist her in locating where they are buried so she can get their bodies. The viral video on social media shows the body of a female and a male in a grave with what appears to be bloodstains on their clothes and a man using a shovel to throw dirt on them. Reports from Black River Police are that about 7:15 a.m., Kendrick and Keneisha were last seen leaving a cook shop in Grangeville in the parish. Their mode of dress at the time they went missing is unknown and they have not been seen since. About 4 hours later, Observer updated the story and it says Westmoreland, Jamaica, the Moodie siblings, 20-year-old Kerrick Moodie, 22-year-old Keneisha Moodie, who reportedly went missing on Friday, are suspected to have been killed and buried in a shallow grave, were allegedly murdered over scamming money. And if you know anything about Jamaica and know Westmoreland and come from Westmoreland, you'll know that a lot of the crimes that are committed in Westmoreland stem from scamming. They normally kill their one another over bingo money, who is supposed to get what share. They kill each other over the names and numbers and addresses of people that live in the US. I don't remember exactly what they call those. They kill each other for all sorts of things when it comes on to scamming, especially in Westmoreland. The siblings' mother, Stephanie Edwards, told Observer Online in an interview on Sunday that her children were involved in scamming. Yes. The voice note said them bingo food. Bingo food mean they got someone to send them some money. That's what bingo food means. The mother of 5 said she tried her best to steer them along the right path. Me grow them up the best me can and she get herself involved in a criminal activity where she not supposed to be involved in. Her name all over the news. Me been talking to try my best to curve them out of it, Edwards bemoaned. In 2021, Keneisha Moodie was charged for the involvement in Kings Valley gang after she was found with rounds of ammunition in her purse. At the time, ACP Fitz Bailey announced that Moodie was the alleged girlfriend of the Kings Valley gang leader, Derval Williams. So this is not her first go-around being involved with someone or being involved in criminal activity. Them very secretive, so this are the outcome of it. So because me always a quarrel and me always a talk to them, always a try get them on the right side, if you walk on the right path, me grow them up the best me can, the distraught mother told Observer Online. She said her daughter had landed a job in Black River where she rented a house in Brampton and lived with her brother. Her daughter is believed to have quit the job. Me surprised that Keneisha get a work at Black River and me find out that she leave the work. She sit down at home, says she do her own business. They a sell online, the mother recalled. The mother told Observer Online after viewing the viral video circulating on social media of what appeared to be a male and female with blood-stained clothes dumped in a shallow grave and a man throwing dirt on them, she soon after identified the bodies of her missing children. Her foot, same how you see the little foot, her foot them set like our grandmother. And if you look up closer to her leg, she have one liquor sink. She have a scar right up to her right eye, she explained. The mother is hoping that their bodies will be found and she will get to bury them. Me there a ponder and wonder fi see if me coulda get the two little piece of body fi bury to what them do with it, she pleaded. She said despite their lifestyle, she is mourning their loss. And my belly pain, I feel all kind of pain, the body numb. But all me have to do is give God thanks to help me go through it. Me just a lean upon Father God, she said. According to police, 20-year-old Kendrick and 22-year-old Keneisha Moodie of Grangeville District, Westmoreland, has been missing since December 8th. Reports from the police are that 7:15, Kendrick and Keneisha were last seen leaving a cook shop in Grangeville in the parish. A lot of people had a lot to say on social media because I was combing through the comments of this post on Observer, and I see so many people blaming other people and blaming dancehall music and blaming artists. Let me tell you this have been happening in Westmoreland since my idea my knee, and I just know people that get killed at Westmoreland over scamming business. And people can say evil, wicked, but it's up to us as human beings to love and respect each other. No one can force us to love and respect each other. And honestly, once you get yourself involved in certain things, you have to make your mind up to know that you're either going to die at the hands of this or you're going to go to jail. Unfortunately for them, it was the latter. They died. So you guys can blame wickedness and blame evil and mankind all you guys want. It's us that are killing each other. I'm a place, but Westmoreland has been going rampant with robberies, killings, just too much. And Westmoreland is a tourism parish. Westmoreland is a tourism parish. So the fact that all these murders and all these robberies have been going on back to back, and there's not something being said about what's going to happen, especially since Christmas is coming around, and that's when a lot of people go to Jamaica, and no one is saying what the next move is for the parish, is very concerning. But I am so sorry for the Moodie family. I wish them nothing but the best. This is one of the worst way to lose not one but both of your children. Me sure their mom is going through a lot. And like she said, all she can do is focus on God. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.